Now let's talk about a and an in this lesson. When do you use it's a or it's an? And what's the difference between them? Listen.
Exercise 3. What's this? It's a. It's an. What's this?
It's an airport.
What's this?
It's a computer.
What's this?
It's an egg.
What's this?
It's a girl.
What's this?
It's a key.
What's this?
It's a letter.
What's this?
It's a man.
What's this?
It's an office.
What's this?
Answer to all your
And all that
continues to look fragile.
It's a radio.
Now, as you have seen from the video that with some words we put a and with some words we put an. Now let's explain the rule. When do we use a and when do we use an? Now, let's take some examples. So the question is, what's this? And then you answer, it's a or it's an. So for example, what's this? It's a radio. Let's take another example. What's this? It's an ID card. Now, what's the difference between this and this? Why did we use a here and an here? It's because of the first letter. If you look at the first letter here, it's R. So we call this kind of letters consonants. But if you look here, ID card, it starts with an A, which is a vowel. So here we have the rule. So what's the difference between a and an? So we use a with the words that start with consonants, and we use an with words that start with vowels. So what are the consonants and what are the vowels? Now let's learn the vowels because they are only 5, but the consonants are 21. You know that the letters in English are 26, so let's start with vowels. So the vowels are A, E, I, O, U. Again, what are the vowels? They are only 5 in English. A, E, I, O, U. Now, if the word starts with a vowel, like A or E or I or O or U, we put an before it. Example, it's an ID card. But if the word starts with a consonant, now what are the consonants? The rest of the letters, B, C, D, F, etc. We add A. For example, here we have it's a radio. Let's have more examples. So again, when do we use A? If the word starts with a consonant. When do we use an? If the word starts with a vowel. What are the vowels? 5. A, E, I, O, U. What are the consonants? The rest of the letters. B, C, D, etc. Let's have some more examples. For example, look here. An egg. Why do we use an here? Because we have E. E is a vowel. Another example, an apple. Why do we have an here? Because at the beginning of apple we have A, which is a vowel. Another example, an orange. Why do we have an here? Because it starts with O, and O is a vowel. Now let's have examples about consonants. Hat, a hat. This letter is consonant. That's why we said a hat. A cat, the same. This letter is a consonant. The last example, a man. So here we have a man. Why? Because the first letter M is a consonant. So let's say it again. When you have a singular countable word, you have to put a or an before it. Now, when do we use a and when do we use an? When you have a vowel at the beginning of the word, like egg, apple, orange, we use an. What are the vowels? Again, A, E, I, O, U. Now, what about the consonants? No, the consonants are the rest. B, C, D, F. This is the end of our lesson. Thank you.